In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of Sellfy, a popular e-com platform like Shopify, for selling digital products and more. If you're a creator or artist or someone who wants to start selling online quickly without dealing with complicated setups, this video is for you. So what exactly is Sellfy? Basically, it's an all-in-one platform that makes it easy to sell digital downloads like ebooks, music, videos, and even physical products if you want. The best part is you can set up your store in just a few minutes without any coding or technical knowledge. It's designed with creators in mind, so everything is straightforward and beginner friendly. That said, there are a couple things to keep in mind. Sellfy's customization options are a bit limited compared to bigger platforms like Shopify. So if you want a super unique store design, this might feel a little restrictive. Also, their free plan comes with Sellfy branding and doesn't include all the features, so you might want to upgrade once you're ready to take things seriously. Plus, Sellfy doesn't have an app marketplace, so you can't add a ton of third-party tools or integrations. Overall, if you're someone who wants to start selling digital products quickly and easily, Sellfy is definitely worth considering. It's simple, reliable, and focused on creators who want to get up and running fast without the hassle. But if you want a highly customizable store or plan to scale big with lots of integrations, you might want to explore other options like Shopify.